Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive through James N. Allan Provincial Park in Haldimand, Ontario. This peaceful park sits along the north shore of Lake Erie, just a short distance southwest of Dunnville. It's a quiet place where nature takes the lead, offering a simple and relaxing escape from busy life. The park stretches across 117 hectares, with about 60 hectares covered in forests and wetlands. As we drive, you might notice the mix of trees and open spaces. The shoreline is mostly natural, featuring a long pebble beach and a smaller area with fine sand. It's a good spot for swimming, walking, or just sitting by the water and enjoying the view. James N. Allan Provincial Park is named after James Noble Allan, a local politician born in Haldimand County. Allan was known for his dedication to public service and his efforts to improve the province's infrastructure. The park doesn't have many built facilities, which helps keep its natural charm. It's a place where you can enjoy simple activities like birdwatching, picnicking, or taking a quiet walk. The wetlands here are home to various birds and other wildlife, making it a special spot for nature lovers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through James N. Allan Provincial Park in Haldimand, Ontario. Thanks for watching!